Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. Now we are in a 30-second video of Next.Js series. In this video, we are going to learn how to use styles in a Next.Js application. So there are four major approaches to use the styles in Next application. First one is global style, and the next one is module styles, and the third one is component styles. Finally, SASS styles. These are the major approaches you commonly use in a Next.js. So, without any delay, let's start the practical demonstration for these four approaches. First of all, here we have the layout component. So, if we go to the components in layout, we have the div tag. In header and footer also we have a div tag. So first of all, I'm going to write the global styles. So global.css, and so I'm going to provide a commonly div tag. So if we write the for div tag, it's gonna affect universally through the to the application. If I am going to write that div tag universally global.css, it affect all the tags in a application. So here color red and font size 30 pixel, and I'm gonna open the terminal and I'm going to kickstart the application. So let's go to the application. Here you could see the font color red and font size 30 for all. So we have write the style in a globally, so it affected every div tag in the application. So this is how the global.css has been worked. So after writing global.css, you have to import the global.css in the app.js files. So you can only import the global CSS only in the app.js. You can't import in the pages any other pages or components. So this is how the global.css is working. Next, I'm gonna explain about the module CSS. In module CSS, I'm gonna write text. So I'm going to provide the class name and text. For the font size is 40 pixel and color blue. So I'm gonna import this component in the import in the layout. So styles from double dot slash navigate toward the styles slash home module CSS. So here we have to write the class name curly braces styles dot text. If you open, you can see the blue color and size is 40 pixel. If we inspect, you can see here. So in the same way, we can write module. We can write the module.css for each individual component. So next, I'm going to write the component styles. Here, constant component object color is yellow and font size is 60 pixel, and instead of style.text, I'm going to provide the com. So instead of this, I'm going to copy this one and paste in the header. So I'm gonna provide this component style here. Class name, object. Within this, we have provide. Actually, what we are doing here is we are writing the styles in a object as a component, and we are assigning this component in the styles. So for components, we don't need to provide class name, we need to provide style. So next, we are going to the front page, and after refreshing, you can see here the header is 40, that 60 pixel and yellow color. If I remove this yellow, it will directly go to the red, because we have provided the div tag red in globally. So we have here we have specified specific div tag in the module or component CSS. If we remove the module or component, it directly the style applied from the global CSS. If we remove the global CSS, then it's go to the black, the default value. Next, I'm gonna explain how to use the SASS. So here I'm gonna create a new terminal, npm I SASS. So here I'm gonna create a new file called home.module.sass. Within this, I'm gonna write text 1 and style. So instead of SASS, we can also provide the SCSS. So I'm gonna provide SCSS, and color is navy, and what we can give, font size as a 100 pixel, and a font weight 600. So here it has successfully installed, and here we have created a SASS file. So I'm going to footer and import styles from navigate to the source, styles / SASS, and here I'm going to provide the class name, remove the string, and styles dot text 1, which we have mentioned SCSS here. So let's navigate toward the home page. So internal server here, what happens here? So if we refresh, now we can see here the error is due to the installation of the package, I think. So here you can see the SASS styles in a footer, and I'm going to inspect this one, then you can see the styles here itself. If we remove the 600, there is a no font weight given in the global style, and it's not changing. If we remove the 100, it's going to the default font size, and if we remove the navy, it's going back to the default color. So in a SASS, it's never going to be global CSS. The global CSS will not affect here. So we have reached the final part of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, you will get the updates regularly.